Welcome once again on Nyansapo TV. As you know, is the number one YouTube which bring you traditional stories, traditional life you will never find anywhere except on Nyansapo TV. If it is your first time seeing such videos on your screen, I want to tell you, please kindly subscribe, dial the notification button this video very carefully and leave your comment, leave your opinion. This video very carefully and leave your comment, leave your opinion, leave your message, so we all do this together. Today it is another day in Ghana, and it is a marriage rite. It is a marriage rite, and these beautiful young ladies with this beautiful young Adua bringing these young ladies that carrying a lot of different items, and it is to represent an item they are bringing from the side of the man to seek hand in marriage of the woman. Very beautiful one. So as you can see, they are dancing, bringing the items of the man to seek in hands of the marriage of the woman. Yes, that is how traditionally it's made here in Ghana. It is Ghanaian typical tradition. So they are bringing the items to the family of the woman. The items are from the family of the man to the family of the woman to seek or ask her hands in marriage, and it is to represent that yes, we are here with this item and we are fully ready and forever ready to be with your daughter. We love your daughter, we want to live a life with your daughter, and we are here to seek or ask her hands in marriage. Beautiful one. Beautiful culture, and I know it is most people first time seeing such a video on your screen, and we will be happy you to be part of this family, be part of this awesome family. As you can see, drums are followed. As you can see, the drums they are beating. It is not just a drum, it is a drum that actually speaks, that carries message. It is a drum that carries message. It is not just they are playing the drum just like that. It has a message that it carries. So you can see they are dancing Adwa. Yes, beautiful one. Beautiful one. Beautiful culture and beautiful traditional marriage rite. So you can see, these are the couples that the groom and the bride are coming to sit. As you can see, these are their maid leading them. It is a very beautiful. I like the costume of the couples. Like, it is a very nice costume, and it is a traditional kente made. Wow. Drums with message, not just a drum. It is a drum that carries messages to the people. Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Beautiful one. And as you can see here, these are all type of local drinks. Whatever local drink, these are toffees. Whatever local that you want to taste, you have it. This is atadrin. This is watermelon juice. This is what they call it, insafufu. Every local drink any local drink at all you want here. When you come here, you are going to have it. Any local drink, you are going to have it here. And this is coconut, as you can see. And this is fruit. Wow. How? Wow. This is fruit. Pineapple, apple, whatever fruit you want, you're gonna have it here. This is coconut. Watermelon. Wow. Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Those of you that don't know white wine, it is a local wine. It is made straight away from a palm. It is a palm wine. It is made straight from a palm wine. It tastes very sweet, very sweet, very sweet. You've never tried before. If you try it, you're going to like it. These are the maid. Very beautiful maid. And all this maid, they are not married. Oh, wow, I think I like this girl. I'm joking. Anyway, it is your first time watching this video, subscribe and be part of this awesome family. Wow. And these are also for the man, I mean the groom. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. So this is how traditional marriage in one way, in the other is performed here in Ghana. It is very beautiful. I know I'm going to do this one day. I mean, for sure. It is a promise in my life. And I know my fans, like, I know I'm going to invite all of you, so you'll be there to see how it tastes like. Nice one. And thank you for watching this video. Like I said earlier, leave your comment and leave your message of your opinion and subscribe to the channel, which is the most important thing. Download the notification button for more videos and more updates. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we bring you another video next time soon.